In this example, you need to round off 824 to the nearest 10. What does this mean? We need to round off 824. We will write here 824 to the nearest 10. We need to first mark place values. This is unit, this is tens, and this is 100. Since you need to round off the number to the nearest 10, that's why the number that we will focus on is this number. That is the tens digit. Alright? Since we need to round it off to the nearest 10, that's why we will focus the tens digit. The second thing that you need to do is you need to check if the digit to the right of the given place value is greater than 5, equal to 5, or less than 5. If it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then you will add 1. If it is less than 5, then you will add 0. So you can see here clearly that this is the given place value. Okay? We need to find out correct to the nearest 10, and 2 is the tens digit. The digit to the right of 2 is 4. Correct? So you need to check if the digit on the right is greater than 5, equal to 5, or less than 5. 4 is less than 5. That's why you will add 0 here. Where will you add 0? You will add 0 to the tens digit. So you will add 0 here. Now what you will do is you will replace this digit, the digit to the right of the given place value, with 0. Step number 3 is replace digit to the right of the given place value with 0 and copy the left digits as it is. Replace the digit to the right with 0. Then you will add 2 plus 0 is 2. And you will copy the digit to the left as it is. When you round off 824 correct to the nearest 10, then you will get 820 as the result. This is your final answer. Let's write the steps that you will use to round off numbers. The first step is that you will mark place values on the given number. The second step is that you will check if the digit to the right of the given place value is less than 5, equal to 5, or greater than 5. Now you have these three conditions. If the digit to the right is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then you will add 1 to the given place value. But if the digit to the right is less than 5, then you will add 0 to the given place value. Then the fourth point is that you will replace digits to the right of the given place value with 0. And the fifth step is that you will copy the digits to the left of the given place value as it is. Alright? So these are the steps that you will follow whenever you need to round off numbers. Now let's look at another example. Here you need to round off 824 to the nearest 100. So the given place value here is 100. We can write the given place value as 100. First, what you will do is you will mark place values. This is 824. This is unit, this is tens, and this is 100. The given place value is 100, and your focus should be on this digit. That is the 100 digit. Alright? According to the second step, you need to check if the digit to the right of the given place value is less than 5, equal to 5, or greater than 5. Digit to the right is the 10th digit, right? And this is 2. 2 is less than 5. According to the conditions given here, if the digit to the right is less than 5, then you will add 0 to the given place value. Given place value is 8, and you will add 0 to 8. You will add 0 to 8. Now what is the fourth step? The fourth step is replace digits to the right of the given place value with 0. These two digits will be replaced with 0. This becomes 0, and this also becomes 0. And then you will add 8 plus 0 is 8. When you round off 824 correct to the nearest 100, you get 800 as the final result. Now let's look at another example. In this example, you need to round off the number 4175 correct to the nearest 10. So the given place value is 10. Now mark place values. This is unit, 10, 100, and 1000. Since the given place value is 10, your focus should be on the 10th digit. Now you need to check if the digit to the right of the given place value is greater than 5, less than 5, or equal to 5. This is the number 5. So this is equal to 5. When the digit to the right is equal to 5, then you add 1 to the given place value. So what you will do is you will add 1 to 7. Now the digit to the right will be replaced with 0. So this will be 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. The digit to the left will be copied as it is. This will be 1, and this will also be copied as 4. So when you round off 4175 correct to the nearest 10, then you will get 4180 as the result. In this example, you need to round off the number 98142 correct to the nearest 100. First of all, write 98142. Mark place values. This is units, this is tens, and this is 100, this is 1000, and this is 10,000. You need to round it off to the nearest 100. The given place value here is 100 digit, and the digit to the right is the number 4. 4 is less than 5. That's why you will add 0 to the given place value. So add 0 here. And then replace the digits to the right with 0. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. And the digits to the left will be copied as it is. This is 9. So when you round off 98142 correct to the nearest 100, then you will get 98,100. So this is 98,100. In this example, you need to round off 48,653 correct to the nearest 1000. The given place value is 1000. So this is the given place value. And then you will mark place values on the given number. This is 48,653. This is unit, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So the given place value is 1000. You will focus on this digit, that is the number 8. Now you need to check digit to the right. The digit to the right is 6 and 6 is greater than 5. So you will add 1 to the given place value. You will add 1 here, and then all the digits to the right will be replaced with 0. So 3 will be replaced with 0, 5 is replaced with 0, 6 is replaced with 0. Then 8 plus 1 is 9, and this will be copied as it is. So when you round off 48,653 correct to the nearest 1000, then you will get 49,000 as the result. Let's look at a word problem. A music band sold 82,649 copies of their latest album. Now you need to find out the number of copies sold to the nearest 10 and to the nearest 100. So let's do these one by one. The number of copies that were sold were these. So write it 82,649 and mark place values. This is unit, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Here you need to find out the number of copies sold to the nearest 10. So your focus will be on the 10th digit, that is the number 4. Now check if the digit to the right is greater than 5, less than 5 or equal to 5. 9 is greater than 5. Okay, so we will add 1 to the 10th digit. Now you will replace the digit to the right with 0. Add 1 to the 10th digit. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 will be copied as it is. 2 will be copied as it is. And 8 will be copied as it is. So when you round off 82,649 correct to the nearest 10, then you will get 82,650. So 82,650 copies were sold correct to the nearest 10. Now let's do part B. Here we need to find out how many copies were sold correct to the nearest 100. Write this number 82,649. Mark place values, units, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Your focus should be on the hundredths digit. This is the hundredths digit. The digit to the right is number 4. 4 is less than 5. That's why you will add 0. So here you will add 0. You will replace the digits to the right with 0. So 9 will be replaced with 0. 4 will be replaced with 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. The digits to the left will be copied as it is. So this is 2 and this is 8. So 82,600 copies were sold, correct to nearest 100. And here 82,650 copies were sold, correct to the nearest